In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an order confirmation email with Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. The first step is to navigate to the Flows section. So log into your Klaviyo dashboard, and in the left-hand navigation menu, you'll see an option labeled Flows. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the area where you can create automated email sequences. Now, it's time to create a new flow. Look for the Create Flow button, usually located at the top right of the screen. When you click on it, you'll see an option that says Build Your Own. Choose this option because it gives you complete control over your branding and layout, allowing you to really customize everything to fit your store's aesthetic. Once you've created your flow, the next step is to set your trigger. You'll want this to happen automatically whenever a customer places an order. To set your trigger type, select Metric, and then choose Placed Order. This is crucial because it ensures the email will automatically send the moment a customer completes a purchase. No delays, just instant confirmation that they can appreciate. Now that we have our trigger set, let's add in an email block. This is a simple action. Just drag an email content block and drop it directly underneath your trigger. By positioning it this way, we're setting it up to send out instantly, so the customer receives their confirmation right away. With the email block in place, it's time to choose a template for your order confirmation email. Click on Select Template and do a quick search for Order Confirmation. You'll find a range of pre-structured templates available. Pick one that fits the visual style and branding of your store. This will not only make the email look professional, but also help to reinforce your brand identity. Now that you have your template, let's make the email dynamic. Click on Edit Content, and within the template, look for the product block. You want to set this block to dynamic by selecting Placed Order as the data feed source. This step is essential because it ensures Klaviyo pulls the correct real-time product data unique to each customer's checkout rather than just generic placeholders. This way, your customers will see exactly what they ordered, making them feel valued and informed. After you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, it's time to take it live. Click Save and Exit, and then you'll see a toggle switch to change the flow's status from draft to live. Make sure to flip that switch. This officially launches your automation, and from now on, every time a customer places an order, they will receive a beautifully crafted order confirmation email. And that's it. You've successfully set up your order confirmation email using Klaviyo. Remember, providing your customers with immediate feedback after their purchase not only enhances their experience, but also builds trust in your brand. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more tips. Happy emailing!